Hey guys, how's you all? So I was discussing in my first video about the blood. So first we had discussed about plasma. The second part is formed elements. 45% of blood is formed by formed elements. Formed elements are of three types: erythrocytes, WBC, they are also called leukocytes, and platelets. RBCs, erythrocytes or red blood corpuscles, they all are synonyms. Leukocytes, WBCs, white blood corpuscles, they are one and the same thing. And platelets, you must have heard about the dengue fever. When it happens, there is fluctuation in platelets number. So RBCs, they are most abundant of all the cells in the blood. 5 to 5.5 millions of RBCs are present per millimeter cube of the blood in adult male, and 5 to 6 liter is present in human male, adult male, and 4 to 5 liter blood is present in adult female. RBCs, they don't have nucleus. So this is very important question. RBCs don't have nucleus, and WBCs, they are nucleated. That is, they have nucleus. So RBCs, they are having the shape of biconcave cellular shape like this. This is, you must have heard or read about the concave and convex lens. So this is the biconcave shape. RBCs have red colored iron containing complex protein called hemoglobin. RBCs का रेड कलर होता है, लाल रंग होता है, और उनमें आयरन कंटेनिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोटीन होता है जिसे हम हेमोग्लोबिन बोलते हैं. हीम जो होता है पिगमेंट होता है, और हेमोग्लोबिन 4 ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल्स को कैरी करता है. 100 ml ऑफ ब्लड में 12 to 16 ग्राम ऑफ हेमोग्लोबिन पाया जाता है. RBCs का लाइफ स्पैन 120 डेज होता है. And the RBCs, they are destroyed in spleen, and the spleen is also an organ of the body that is called as graveyard of RBCs. ल्यूकोसाइट्स को हम WBC कहते हैं, वाइट ब्लड कैरप्सल्स कहते हैं. वो न्यूक्लिएटेड होते हैं और ब्लड में इनकी अमाउंट पर मिलीमीटर क्यूब 4500 to 11,000 cells per millimeter cube होती है. Sometimes it's written 6,000 to 8,000 per millimeter cube also. They are having very short life. Like the RBCs, they were having 120 days, but they are short-lived. There are present two categories of leukocytes: granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes, as the name is suggesting, they are with granules. Granulocytes, they are of three types: neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. Eosinophils को हम acidophils भी बोलते हैं. Neutrophils, they are the most abundant in leukocytes. They are having 7-lobed nucleus. As I told you, WBCs are nucleated, so neutrophils are 7-lobed nucleus. Eosinophils, they are also called acidophils. They have 2-lobed nucleus, and neutrophils का amount 60 to 65% of total WBCs होता है. eosinophils 2 to 3%, basophils 0.5 to 1% होते हैं. In guys, questions are always asked. Neutrophils most abundant होता है, इसकी परसेंटेज 62 या 62% होती है approximately. रेंज is 60 to 65%. And basophils जो होते हैं, they secrete histamine, serotonin and heparin. Basophils, they secrete histamine, serotonin and heparin. Histamine is in component which is released when you sneeze. जब sneezing होती है तो histamine release होता है. Serotonin is a happiness hormone, sort of happiness hormone, and heparin is related to clothing. Where neutrophils, they are the most abundant. Basophils, they are the least abundant in WBC. Basophils inflammatory reactions में involve होते हैं. Inflammatory means if someone gets any wound or bleeding, then there is fever and swelling in that area. So that is called inflammatory reaction. Agranulocytes are of two types: lymphocyte and monocytes. Lymphocyte 20 to 25% होते हैं, monocyte 6 to 8% होते हैं. Agranulocytes, two types, lymphocyte and monocyte, 20 to 25%, 6 to 8%. They are kidney shaped and they are the largest cells. Monocytes are the largest cells of WBC. They are having kidney shaped nucleus. This is again a very important question. So neutrophils, for monocyte, they are phagocytic in action. Phagocytic means they engulf the microbes like viruses and bacteria. Eosinophils, they are responsible for the allergic reactions. Whenever we come across any smoke or pollens, they get entry into our nostrils and all, then we have sneezing or cough, then that is called allergic reactions and they are caused by eosinophils. Lymphocytes, there are two types, B cells and T cells. B cells are the bone marrow cells and T cells, they are the thymus cells. B cells जो होते हैं वो antibodies produce करते हैं against the antigens, or antigens means pathogenic organisms like virus, bacteria. For example, we talk हम मुझे viral हो गया like that. So it means virus fever, virus enters inside someone's body. So B cells, they produce the antibodies. Antibodies means immunoglobulins, which I talked about in first video. Globulins are the plasma proteins. About leukocytes. Now third type of formed elements is platelets. They are called as thrombocytes. Human blood contains 1.5 to 3.5 lakh platelets per millimeter cube. Platelets are involved in the coagulation of blood. Reduction in number of platelets can lead to excessive loss of blood from the body. अगर किसी को चोट भी लग जाए और प्लेटलेट्स कम हो तो बहुत सारा खून बह सकता है. लाइफ स्पैन जो होता है वो 12 days अप्रॉक्सीमेटली होता है. इफ समवन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन के, गाइस यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ अबाउट विटामिन्स एंड वी शिल बी डूइंग इट इन द कमिंग वीडियोस अबाउट विटामिन्स. अगर विटामिन के की कमी है तो ब्लड क्लॉटिंग इफेक्ट होती है. Decrease in platelets is called thrombopenia because platelets को हम thrombocytes कहते हैं, और अगर decrease in platelets से उसे thrombopenia बोलेंगे. Leukemia, increase in WBC. Leukopenia, decrease in WBC. Questions come from this side. So this was all about the formed elements in plasma, about blood. I hope you all understood this. If you have any doubt, let me ask. Please ask me and I shall try to answer you. And please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like it. And see you in next video.